Magkakahalong emosyon naman ang naramdaman ng mga opisyal at crew ng Philippine Airlines nang makasalamuha si Pope Francis sa eroplano. Ang naturang airline ang naging official carrier ng Santo Papa. Ang kanilang hindi malilimutang karanasan, atin pong alamin sa ulat ni George Bandola.
Once in a lifetime experience. Ganito ay sa larawan ng mga piloto at crew ng Philippine Airlines Flight 8010 ang kanilang pakiramdam ng makasalamuha ang kanyang kabanalan Papa Francisco. Ang Philippine Airlines ang nagsilbing Shepherd One o official carrier ng Santo Papa sa kanyang paglipad, papunta at pabalik ng Tacloban, gayon din ang paghahatid sa kanya sa Ciampino, Rome, Italy.
It is a once in a lifetime thing, and it is something that you never dreamed of. As you know, I've been flying for the past 40 years. I've flown with at least 3 presidents, but he is the first Pope and a head of state as well, the head of our church. So, truly blessed to have been able to serve him in this capacity.
It was a Maria Bambina. So when I went to him, he thought it was something to be blessed. And then he said, bless. And I saw the child in him. It was really different and it was really amazing.
If there was one moment for me, the very childlike demeanor of our Holy Father during the lull period of the flight, I was on duty. This was about 7 hours. 8 hours through the flight. He stood up, walked around, walked to the galley, and I stood up and I said, Holy Father, may I offer you a drink? So meron po kami doon na serviette-lined basket with so many choices of drinks. There was infused water, there was raspberry, iced tea, orange juice. And he looked at it and he pointed. It's like, which one will I choose? And he pointed and he chose the orange juice. So very, very childlike of him.
Father, I just ask for blessing for my family. I pray that I be here, no matter what.
But lo and behold, in the flight, exactly at that point, there was no turbulence. The forecast that we have is very, very accurate. We normally tell the crew, this is the plan, and when we start turning on the seatbelt sign, everybody should be seated, and that normally happens. But in this flight, I tell you, there was none. If you remember, there was supposed to be a typhoon that day, and there was none. The sun was shining. It was.
Hindi rin napigil na maluha ng ilan kahit pa ni PAL President Jaime Bautista habang ikinukwento ang maikling oras na nakaharap ang Santo Papa.
There was just this outpouring of tears, and it was just I said, you know, this is holiness. This is holiness that is already surrounding, that is already embracing us, that's already embracing our country.
My last encounter with the Pope was before he went down the airplane, and you know, I really felt very happy. I don't know what to say. But we are really very happy to be with Pope Francis, no? And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank everybody who made it possible.
Sa kanyang biyahe sa Tacloban, inubos at tila nasarapan daw ang Santo Papa sa inihain na dinuguan at puto para sa kanya sakay ng Shepherd One. Nagkaroon din ng pagkakataon na maka-one-on-one ng mga crew ang Santo Papa sa 14 na oras na biyahe patungo ng Roma, kasama na dito ang pagbabasbas sa kanilang mga pamilya, rosaryo, Biblia at iba pang babasahin. Iniharap din sa mga mamamahayag ang lahat ng mga gamit at aktwal na pagkaing inihain para sa Santo Papa, maging ang wrapper ng potato chips na nagustuhan nito. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.